When it comes to doing professional photography or videography, you surely need some pieces of equipments to get better results, like a tripod, some reflectors, variable ND filters, external flash and extra cards, and some more items like this. So in today's video, we are going to unbox and review one of the tripod that is lightweight and easy to carry, and that is Digitek DTR 550LW tripod. So now let's first unbox this and then we will look over its features and some more specifications. In this package, we got one tripod, one bag and a ball head. Look, when it comes to quality, Digitek DTR 550LW tripod is up to the mark, and it's stable aluminium alloy legs and non-slip rubber feet, which includes 3 flip-up locks for adjusting the height of each leg in just few seconds, which works greatly for outdoor and on even uneven surfaces. Its total weight is only 1.2 kgs and can hold a maximum load of up to 5 kgs. The foldable height is 615 mm and gives you the maximum height of 5.57 feet. The 3-way head allows you to easily change the orientation of the camera from portrait to landscape and almost any angle in between with the handy tilt motion. Turn the knobs to secure it. This tripod also allows for full panoramic possibilities with its 360 degrees swivel function. This tripod is equipped with bubble head, which can detect and adjust the horizontal position of it. So when the ground is not level, you can recognize it immediately and adjust the tripod legs to keep the level. The tripod's quick release mounting plate makes it easy to remove your camera from the tripod. It helps you to secure and ensure fast transitions between shots and for quick moving from location to location. This tripod is compatible with most of the video cameras, digital cameras, still cameras, GoPro devices, smartphone adapters and scopes. So we think it is a must item for the beginners that is in the budget. So this is it for this lightweight tripod. We will the link of the same in the description box just for you, just in case you love to check it for yourself. So if you like this video and the information, then hit the like button and do subscribe our YouTube channel for more upcoming amazing videos, because in the coming days we are going to bring some more gadget reviews and pieces of information like this. So this is Eva from Tegonity Studio. See you soon. Till then, goodbye. Take care.